Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream yogurt at home. First, combine 2 cups of full-fat plain yogurt with half a cup of your preferred sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This simple base is the key to delicious, creamy results. Ensure all ingredients are well mixed before moving to the next step. Now, let's get that perfect texture. Pour your well-mixed yogurt base into the chilled bowl of your ice cream maker. It's crucial that the bowl is very cold. Churn the mixture for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. This churning process incorporates air, making your yogurt ice cream wonderfully smooth and light. Time to personalize your treat. Once the yogurt ice cream is soft serve consistency, gently fold in any desired mix-ins. Think fresh berries, chocolate chips, or a swirl of fruit puree. Then, transfer the mixture to an airtight container. Freeze it for an additional 2 to 4 hours to achieve a firmer, scoopable ice cream texture. Your homemade ice cream yogurt is ready. For a soft serve treat, enjoy it right after churning. If you prefer a firmer scoop, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh berries, a sprinkle of granola, or a drizzle of honey for an extra special touch. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.